Namaskar, I am Captain Prakash Zog. Welcome to Career Guidance in Merchant Navy lecture series. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic. DNS is like express highway for career and why. So some of you must be wondering in shipping lecture why expressway photo is put on the screen. So you will get answer once you hear this lecture. Let us see and discuss one by one points how DNS is like expressway. For this DNS, bank loans are available. So even you don't have money to pay the fees, you can always go to bank and take education loan. And education loan and normal bank loan are two different things. Education loan you can pay once your education is complete and it is at a cheaper interest rates. Number two point, on board ship you get stipend and stipend starts at the age of just 19 years. So, as soon as you go on ship, you start earning something, and these earnings are total savings. And those earnings are also not small. They are inclusive of your lodging, boarding, education, training, and on top of that, you get about 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. Once you are selected in company, you are having job at age of 18. So you have done just 10 plus 2 and before taking education, you are having job in hand. So placement is already done. And this must be a probably only course where job is given first and then you are taking education. So this is very unique thing about this course. All other educations, you are taking education, you are passing out the exams and then you are searching for job. But in DNS, you are having job first and thereafter you are doing the course, you are paying fees and then you are doing your education. So earning starts at the age of 19 to 20 years. So that stipend earning is also earning and it continues throughout your life as long as you keep on sailing. You become financially independent at very young age and the family does not have to support you, but in fact you can support family. You can be helping hand to your family. One starts earning very good salary at age of 22 because at age of 22 you will be passing, before that you will be passing your second maths exam and then your salary will be immediately more than 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees and it will be rising, and the salary also is tax free because you are working in international waters, you are working on foreign flag ships, so salary is tax free. So you don't have to pay any tax on that if you are becoming NRI. This is best earn and learn policy with high salary and a rising career graph. So very limited careers are available like this, that you earn, you learn also, and at the same time your career is also rising. From age of 32 years or so, your salary can be more than 15 lakh rupees. So at such a young age you can start getting high salary. So why not start preparing to join DNS cadet? What statements I made on earlier our slide. So this is a table. This is DNS course. This is marine engineering. And this is doctor, medical, MBBS, MD, engineers, and chartered accountants. So we are just trying to compare when somebody starts earning. Here DNS, if you are selected by company and if you have taken up this career, of course initial fees are high, but not all those high. If you see here, 1 year institute fee are about 4 lakh to 8 lakh rupees. Marine engineering fees are about 18 lakh rupees for 4 years. If you are going for medical, the fees can be more than 60 lakhs, 1 crore, like that. Engineering, if you are doing, fees can be up to 8 lakhs, means expenses can be 8 lakhs in 4 years. Chartered accountant, if you are going to be, then that is also quite expensive. So all these fields, they are expensive, but in DNS you can start earning at age of 19 years, and no other career you will start earning so high salary. That is also tax free, and that is also free of lodging boarding. Even you go as marine engineering in marine field, your earning will start at the age of 22. Of course, that is about 40,000. This is about 20,000. Then at the age of 22 years, you will start earning as second officer more than 1 to 2 lakh rupees. Then at the age of 32, we have seen you will be earning more than 15 lakh rupees per month. So such earning potential is available in marine field, and that is also best available in diploma nautical science. If you compare all other fields, average candidate in other fields do not have opportunities for equal earnings as marine students at equivalent age and experience. So you can see yourself, and if you feel that this is the best field, best career option available to you, then why not? But to have best, you have to sacrifice something, you have to do hard work. So, but start preparing right from your ninth standard, 10th standard, and go all out for this field. Do not prepare for several fields and you say that if you get selected in DNS, you will try to join. No, try to join. You decide it and do it. In this series, next lecture is going to be on eligibility criteria for marine engineers. So thank you for watching this video and your time. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.